Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your second week of July reading start from the 8th through the 14th of July 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. Let's find out what is heading towards you guys for this week time starting today. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. You can also check out my sister's tarot channel. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. I will be adding one oracle card in this reading, but no charms. So yeah, stay tuned and let's find out what is heading towards the Capricorns. What is coming up for you guys for this week time? Let's begin. The Hangman paired up with Nine of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. Then we do have Ten of Swords, Four of Swords, Ten of Cups. Underneath the deck, we do have the Chariot. Wow. So, beautiful week ahead. You're starting off the week feeling stagnant in your life, or at least in one area of your life. But as you enter into the 9th and 10th of this week, things gonna change. Things gonna show progress. Whatever it is that you are feeling stuck in your love life, work life, home life situation. Maybe you want to do you want to apply for jobs, but you can't do because of the corona situation or whatever it is. Whatever the situation is, wherever you are feeling blocked and unable to show some or have some movement forward, you are going to start seeing the changes there in that area of your life as you move towards the 9th and 10th of July. But and it's like you were upset when the things were slow, and the way they are going to change, the way they're going to happen, the way they're going to swiftly start moving forward, it's going to get you stressed again, because it's something which you maybe you are too maybe you have become so habitual, or have become so used what's the word, used to it. Yeah, you have become so used to this energy that when things gonna start pacing up, you will be like, walk, hold on, like, just take it slow, just go slow, like, you would wish, like, if things could go slow again. But it's gonna be like, swift changes happening for you in your life in that specific area where things are stuck right now. I do see that, but you are going to see some sort of or have some sort of good news coming your way around the mid of the week. It can be around not mid, but maybe around the 12th or so on, like 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. These days of this week are going to be the thing where you are going to receive some sort of good news. It can be about your love life situation, it can be about your home life situation, it can be about anything that you are worried or concerned about in the beginning of the beginning of the week. Let me take one more card here for the Four of Swords lovers. Okay. For those of you who have been single for quite some time, I feel like you are being either you are being pushed towards this person, or this person is being pushed towards you by the universe. Like, something is happening in either your life or in their life, which is pushing them or pushing you two to come closer. This person can be somebody new, this person can be somebody from the past as well, but whoever this person is, if you don't want somebody from the past, it's not going to be that person. If you want somebody from the past, it's going to be that person. If you really want to manifest somebody new, it's going to be that person, because I do see your wish is getting fulfilled. So whatever you want, past person, ex, specific ex, it's going to be that. If you want somebody new, it's going to be that. Because I feel like, whatever you wanted, whatever you desired, that person is being pushed towards you by the universe. That person is being, you guys are being, brought together by the universe during this, especially around the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. That time frame is going to be so significant for you in your life, love life, work life, home life situation. But yes, I do see strong changes coming up for you, especially in the from the middle towards the end of the week for this week time. Let's see more cards underneath the deck. We do have the Chariot, underneath that the Justice, the Hermit, Knight of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, Three of Cups. For some of you, you are going to take the decision of getting married. Why? Let me tell you why. Because I do see the way situation has become, the way situation will be becoming for you in the towards the end of the week. I feel like, it's gonna make you feel the need to have somebody with you. It's gonna make you feel the need to have, your person with you. Maybe your work is going to become so busy, so consuming, where you would feel like, no, I wish I had somebody on my of my own when I get back home every single day, so I could cuddle somebody, who belongs to me, and who I could feel that love, I could feel that, that sense of belonging with this person. That one thing is going to trigger the change in you, where you are going to start feeling like, no, I really need to be with someone, I really need to have a happy home life. You are going to get triggered by that emotion for some of you, and which is why maybe if you are receiving some sort of good news around your work and finances, that change in your life is going to bring you this, this need to have somebody in your love life. And it's like, you will be pushed towards taking a decision in your love life as well. If it applies to, if this situation is something that you can relate to, it's not going to happen this week time. It is like, it is something which is going to trigger, like, the good news that you're going to get is going to trigger that, okay, fine, I want something in my love life now. But it's like, I don't see this person is going to enter in your life now, but yes, I do see that you will be considering getting married, or you will be thinking of having somebody of your own as you move towards the mid of the week, towards the end of the week. It's going to be different for different people, but yeah, that's what I'm picking up. And but yes, you're definitely getting some sort of good news. It's just gonna speed up your life. It's like, it's gonna be like, you have set yourself on a roller coaster ride or something. Everything is happening so quick and fast. Everything is happening so quick and fast. First, the love life started, moving. For others of you, it's gonna be the first, work life is going to start moving, and then your love life will be, come rolling along. So it's going to be that kind of thing. It's going to be that kind of changes that you're going to experience in this week time. The start of the week is going to be slightly stagnant and slightly maybe boring, but as you move forward, it's going to be like, you are going to start seeing the changes, swift changes happening for you. Yeah, let's see one card from the Oracle deck. Let's see what it has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. My outer experiences are a reflection of my internal condition. For those of you who are stuck, because for whatever reason, if you are stuck and if you are thinking, look, like I don't know when my life is going to move forward, I don't know when it's going to happen, when this is going to happen, when that is going to happen, when this change is going to happen, when that is, that's going to happen. It's high time that you realize that whatever you are, having the mind chatter about, that's exactly what is happening in your reality. The moment you're going to stop saying the bad words or what you don't want, and start saying the things that you want, you will start experiencing that the same is going to start reflected will start reflecting in your reality. So whatever you are holding here is going to become your reality. So for those of you who when it comes to your love life, I would suggest you to think of the person that you want to reconcile with. If there is any person, if there is anyone in your life that you would like to have back in your life, then start thinking of them being the one who is going to uh, you know um, who's going to come back in your life, and that's how you are going to start anew together. If there is somebody new that you want, think of the new person. Don't think, I don't want this ex, I don't want this ex. Trust me, the ex will come back. So again, try that you don't think of the thoughts that you don't want. Think of the thoughts that you want, and so it become your reality. So that thing will become your reality. Try to work on this. For majority of you, I feel like the experiences that you are having is because you are not having the right thoughts here. You are not having the right feelings here. You really need to change that to get the result that you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always do that by reaching out to me on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.